Class 10th Mathematics, Chapter 10, Mensuration, Exercise 10.3, Question number 5. Question number 5. In the adjacent figure, the height of a solid cylinder is 10 centimeters and diameter is 7 centimeters. Two equal conical holes of radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters are cut off as shown the figure. Find the volume of remaining solid. Find the volume of remaining solid. Exercise 10.3, question number 5. Solution. Height of the cylinder 10 centimeters. First write given height of the cylinder is equal to 10 centimeters. Diameter of cylinder is equal to diameter of a cylinder is equal to 7 centimeters. We know the radius is equal to diameter by 2. Radius of cylinder is equal to radius of a cylinder R is equal to diameter by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeters. We know that volume of cylinder formula, volume of the cylinder, V is equal to pi r square h is equal to 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 10. 3.5 2 ja 7, 2 11 ja 22. 3.5 into 10, 35 into 11 is equal to 11 into 3.5 into 10, 35. 35 into 11, 35 into 11, 35 and 35, 5, 8, 3 is equal to 385 cubic centimeters. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to 385 cubic centimeters. Next, height of the cone h is equal to 4 centimeters and radius 3 centimeters. Okay, height of the cone h is equal to 4 centimeters and radius of the cone r is equal to 3 centimeters. Volume of each cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius 3 into 4, 3 cancel is equal to 22 into 3. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 66 into 4. Into 4, 4 6 is 24, 4 6 is 24 plus 2, 264 is equal to 264 by 7 cubic centimeters. Volume of 2 cones is equal to 2 into 264 by 7 is equal to 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 528 by 7 cubic centimeters. Volume of 2 cones is equal to 528 by 7 cubic centimeters. The volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of 2 cones. Volume of 2 cones is equal to, we know that volume of cylinder 385 minus volume of 2 cones 528 by 7 is equal to, take LCM 7, okay, here 1, 385 into 7 minus 528 is equal to 385 into 7, 7 5 ja 35, 7 8 ja 56 plus 3 59, 7 3 ja 28, 7 3 ja 21 plus 5 26, 2695. 2695 minus 528 by 7 is equal to, do the subtraction, 2695 minus 528. 15 minus 8, 7, and 8 minus 2, 6, and 6 minus 5, 1, 2167 is equal to 2167 by 7. 21617, 7 3 ja 21, take 6 and take 0, 7, 7 9 ja 63, 4, take point, 7 5 ja 35, 40 minus 35 5, 7 7 ja 49, therefore is equal to 309.57 cubic centimeters. The volume of remaining solid is equal to 309.57 cubic centimeters.